Welcome to Photio Studio for product photos. Today, we'll generate product backgrounds using prompt keywords. Log in and click Background Generator on the dashboard. Upload a well-taken product photo or choose a previously used one. The background has been removed and transferred. Go to the Prompt tab and enter the desired mood and essential elements. If there are elements to exclude, list them in the negative section. Then, click Generate. The result will take about 30 seconds. Click to enlarge and inspect the canvas. Let's resize the image. Go to the Resize tab and adjust the size to your specifications, including options for platforms like Instagram and YouTube. To modify the background, go to the Erase/Replace tab, color over the area you want to change, and then click Generate to cleanly erase it. Make the image sharper by selecting either 2x or 4x under the Sharp Image tab on the left. Adjust brightness or color by clicking on the product or background and using the Adjust option to correct any discrepancies. Ready to download? Select the format, choose Watermark Preferences, and then download the photo. Let's generate using short, ambiguous words only. See the difference in the result. Ambiguous prompts may lead to low-quality backgrounds, as it's challenging for AI to specify. For better results, try describing the overall mood and essential elements in detail. Get all the product photos you want from Photio.